There's a stock so good Motley Fool just made history by recommending it for the ninth time. I revealed a stock here for free so you don't have to buy the Fool's newsletter. Just keep in mind no paid or proprietary info is given away here, and it's all guesswork based on clues in the publicly available sales presentation. Let's look at some recent Motley Fool stock picks before we do anything. Last June, they recommended Arista Networks, and despite a plunge in 2025, the stock is still up. Last July, they recommended EQT, and the stock is up a good amount while handing investors a nice dividend. They recommended ASML in August, and the stock hasn't done well so far. However, this one might be a winner in the long run. Motley Fool typically recommends buying and holding for 5 or more years. They recommended Alphabet in September, and the stock is break-even so far. They recommended Amazon in the same month, and the stock is up slightly. Let's shift back to the teaser now and figure out the stock being pitched here based on the clues. The email starts out by saying, "Since we first picked it in July 2016, this extraordinary company has delivered an astonishing 1,904% return. So why is now the time? Because not only has this stock returned close to 20 times since we first recommended it 8 years ago, but it's also trading at a steep 61.5% drop from its peak. Not to mention, this company is a global leader with a very bright future, handling nearly $950 billion in transactions across 175 countries. We're talking more online sales than eBay, Target, the Home Depot, and Best Buy combined. I'm going to reveal the stock in 10 seconds, but just want to remind you to click the link in the description to get $50 off AlphaPix. I reviewed 100 stock picking services, and AlphaPix is by far the best. Based on the clues, it's pretty obvious the stock being pitched here is Shopify, ticker SHOP. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows businesses of all sizes to create and manage their own online stores. It offers a wide range of tools for building websites, processing payments, and managing inventory, making it a popular choice for entrepreneurs and established brands alike. Shopify's core features include customizable storefronts, integrated payment gateways, powerful analytics, and a vast app ecosystem that extends its functionality. The platform also supports multi-channel selling, allowing businesses to sell on social media, marketplaces, and physical retail locations. With over 2 million merchants worldwide, Shopify has become a dominant force in the e-commerce industry, known for its user-friendly design, scalability, and comprehensive support for entrepreneurs. Here's the top 10 things to know about this stock, and after I'll tell you if it's a buy. First is revenue rockets. Shopify's impressive growth. In Q1 2025, Shopify reported a 27% year-over-year revenue increase, reaching $2.8 billion. This growth underscores the company's strong position in the e-commerce sector. Second is AI-powered platform. Embracing innovation. Shopify's integration of AI tools like the Sidekick Assistant has enhanced merchant experiences and attracted more sellers to the platform. Third is enterprise expansion, targeting big players. Traditionally serving small businesses, Shopify is now onboarding large clients like Reebok and Barnes & Noble, aiming for steadier revenue streams. Fourth is market share matters, a global contender. As of early 2025, Shopify holds approximately 10.32% of the global e-commerce software market share, highlighting its significant presence in the industry. Fifth is stock performance. Analyst perspectives. Analysts have a consensus rating of moderate buy for Shopify, with an average 12-month price target of $158.52, suggesting potential for price appreciation. Sixth is valuation vigilance. High multiples. Shopify's stock trades at approximately 29 times its 2025 gross profit forecast, indicating a premium valuation compared to some peers. Seventh is competitive landscape, facing fierce rivals. Shopify competes with platforms like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Squarespace, each offering unique features and pricing structures. Eighth is global reach, expanding merchant base. With over 5.6 million active stores across more than 175 countries, Shopify's global footprint continues to grow, reflecting its appeal to a diverse range of merchants. Ninth is financial health, solid free cash flow. In the first quarter of 2025, Shopify achieved a free cash flow margin of 15%, demonstrating strong financial health and operational efficiency. 10th is strategic shifts, adapting to market dynamics. Shopify's focus on enterprise clients and AI integration indicates a strategic shift to adapt to evolving market demands and sustain long-term growth. Shopify is a company I like, and I've had some Shopify stores in the past. They really do make building an online store very easy. I also bought their stock when it was at one of its lowest prices and have made several 100% returns on my investment. It's one of the best stocks I've ever bought. I don't think investors will get the same returns I got when I bought back in 2022, as the valuation is much higher now. I personally would put Shopify in the borderline buy category. I think over the next 5 years, this stock has a good chance of beating the market. However, if you wanted to wait for a better price to buy, I can definitely understand that as well. The stock has been pretty volatile in the past, dropping significantly in short periods of time. So if you wanted to wait for one of these drops and then jump in, I'd say go for it. And if you want to watch more Motley Fool reveals, click the playlist below. You'll see stocks that Motley Fool claims will be bigger than 40 Amazons, better than Ewing Nvidia at $1, and small stocks with 500x potential.